Hello everyone. In today's episodes, we will be talking about how to solve rational inequalities. So, for solving rational inequalities, there will be 4 steps, and let's go through each one. So the first thing you'd want to do is get the inequality to equal to 0. But we're gonna put these in quotation marks because, inequalities don't really have an equal, 0. So the reason why we need to get our inequality to equal to 0 is that sometimes we're given equations where there'll be some number over here and a number over here, and we need to bring that number over there so that we can have 0 on the end, so we can solve our polynomials and solve for x. So then on to the second step. After you have factored out made your inequality equal to 0, your second step is to find the zeros and excluded values. Now, what are zeros and excluded values? Well, your zeros are going to be your x-intercepts, and your excluded values will be your vertical asymptote and your horizontal asymptote, or any holes you have. And then the third step is to test the intervals on a number line. To see if they are true. So whatever excluded or zeros you get, you put that on the number line and see if they are positive or negative. And whatever the question is really asking, it depends on if you want a negative or you'd want a positive. So if you've had an inequality that has a greater than or equal to sign, that means that you'd want something that you'd put down whatever is true. And if you had something that was less than or equal to, then you'd want something that's a negative. So after doing that, you write your answers, whatever these values are, or whatever you're looking for based on this. You have to write your answer in interval notation. Let me redo that. Write answer and interval notation. And that is it on the steps to finding the steps to solving rational inequalities. And my friend Landon will show you guys an example with these steps.